Read, learn, know with Miss Ro. Yay!
Hi everyone, it's Miss Ro once again and welcome to my channel. Today, we're gonna have our math lesson. But before we begin, don't forget to click on the subscribe button down below if you're new to my channel and hit the like button and share this video to your loved one. And of course, if you wanted to be the first one who will get notified if I have posted a new video, please don't forget to click on the notification bell down below. Alright, so let's start.
Alright guys, in this video, you will learn how to use a ruler. Are you ready? So, just like in our discussion, a ruler is a tool for you to measure the length, right? Step 1. Place the 0 cm. Cm means centimeter. So this is what you're going to see on your ruler. If the gap or the distance between the numbers, they're shorter, that one is a centimeter, okay? We use it if we want to measure something that is not too long. Alright, so place the 0 cm mark on the ruler at one end of the object you are measuring. Make sure you are using the centimeter scale. Do not measure from the end of the ruler. It's a no-no, guys. It has to be from the beginning of the ruler, okay? The one that says 0. Step 2. To find the length of an object to the nearest centimeter, round the length up or down to the nearest number on the ruler. For example, look, this paper clip. Alright, so as you can see, it ends up right here. So it's actually near already number 6. We can't go back, right? So we have to say that this is 6 centimeters long. Okay? Great. Next, step 3. Count the number of intervals after the whole centimeter to find the length of the object to the nearest millimeter. Millimeter is actually smaller, okay, than a centimeter. So remember, 10 millimeter is equal to 1 centimeter. Alright, so just like what I've said, 10 millimeters is equal to 1 cm. So you're gonna go like, skip counting by 10 is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, and it's right here. So that means 59 millimeters, right? Okay. Next. After that, step 4, write down the length of the objects in either centimeters or millimeters. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys, and I hope I was able to teach you how to use the ruler. Bye!